Hey guys, welcome to VTechacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss an example on sector. So here the given example is a rectangular poultry farm of length 14 meters and a breadth 7 meters is in a ground, and a horse is tied with a rope of length 7 meters in a corner outside the farm. So what is the area that the horse can graze? So here in this case, a rectangular poultry farm, that is a rectangle ABCD over here, where length is 14 meters. That is, you can say DC is equal to 14 meters, which is also equal to AB here, and breadth is 7 meters in ground. So you can say DA is equal to 7, which is also equal to CB, that is 7 meters. And a horse is tied with a rope of length 7 meters in a corner outside the farm. So here you can assume that a rope is tied at the corner B of 7 meters. And so here we have to find the area in which the horse can graze. That is the area of this circle. So now let us try to solve this example with the given information. So where length, breadth and the length of a rope is given. So here in this case, length of a rope is considered as the radius of sector, that is BF is equal to 7 meters. And then coming to the angle, so a complete angle, that is 360 degrees. So now let us find the angle in which the horse can graze. So the angle can be found by just subtracting the total angle minus the angle made by the rectangle. So here we get the total angle as 360 degrees minus the angle made by the rectangle, that is 90 degrees over here. So by subtracting 360 minus 90, we get the result as 270 degrees. So the angle made by the horse while grazing will be 270 degrees. And here we already know the formula. Area of a sector when angle is given is x degrees, that is angle made by the sector divided by the complete angle 360 degrees into pi r square, that is total area over here. So by substituting all the values here, we get 270 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square, that is 7 into 7 here. So let us simplify this. So here 94 times is 360 and 93 times is 270. And then here 7 one time is 7 and 7 one time is 7. So we get the terms in the numerator as 3 into 22 into 7 divided by the denominator 4. So here by multiplying all the terms, we get 462 divided by 4. And by dividing 462 by 4, we get here 115.5 square meters as the area in which the horse can graze. And now let us solve one more example using the same concept. So here the example given is a square tank whose side is 28 meters. So here in this case you have ABCD as a square and a side, say DC, is equal to 28 meters. In a grass field and a bull is tied with a rope of length 28 meters in a corner of the tank, what is the area that a bull can graze? So here let us assume bull is tied at the corner B of 28 meters length. So find what is the area that a bull can graze. That's nothing but the area of this circle over here. Let us find the angle made by the horse while grazing. So this can be found by just subtracting the total angle with the angle made by the square. That is nothing but 360 minus 90 degrees. We get here 270 degrees. So we already know that area of a sector is given by the formula x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. So by substituting the given values, we get 270 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into the r square. That's nothing but the value of BF, 28 into 28. So now let us simplify this. And here 7 one time is 7 and 7 4 times is 28. Here 93 times is 270 and 94 times is 360. And then here 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So we get here 3 into 22 into 28. And by multiplying, we get the product as 1848 square meters as the area in which the bull can graze. So at last we can conclude this by saying area of a sector is given by the formula x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to VTechacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.